I'm Dave Koch. Welcome back to Photoshop Quickies. Today we're going to look at how to remove camera gear, tripods, things you don't want in typically bathrooms, mirrors, things like that. So let's just pop right on over to our image. What you want to do is go ahead and have all your edits done so you've got everything reduced to a single layer because you can't do this over multiple layers. So once it's down to one layer, you zoom in to the problem you have, which is that beautiful, beautiful camera. Easiest thing to do is just go into the remove tool and just start with that and see what happens. I gotta say that remove tool is getting so much better. That may do everything that you need right there. I do it in parts and I just go like that. One thing to remember too is not everybody's going to know what was there. See, that is actually good enough. Nobody's going to know or see that and know that that's a problem. I do have a flash up there. Let's go ahead and take all that off. Boom, we are done. Okay, we've got a little bit of just not perfect right there. So here's what I would do. I would come in here and I would create a straight line with my select tool straight across there, just like that. And then I would use is it the clone stamp? Yeah, clone stamp tool, and just copy the background from over here right to over there and clean that up like that. And look at this when we're done. That's going to look like the top. Let's select, deselect. There we go. Look at that. That's as good as that needs to be. I would also, and this is just me, I'd take that little label off of there. Let's go back to wide. That's it. That's all you need to do. If you had to, and this would be another option here, you could take that washer dryer completely out of there. This obviously is a hotel room. If this were someone's home or something like that, especially if they weren't leaving the washer dryer, there's no problem in removing that. And what I do is I just put a line straight down this wall and then around in here and then clone stamp that wall just straight across right there. Just as easy, just as fast. There you go. Another Photoshop Quickie is in the books. I'm Dave Koch. Thank you so much for watching, and may your next shoot be your best shoot.